Hello, it is a pleasure to participate in the 2024 Women's ICT Leadership Virtual Summit, organized by the Latin American and Caribbean Division of 5G Americas. What a mouthful. I am Shakera Johnson, Director of Information Security at Cable Bahamas Limited, and I will be discussing with you today how artificial intelligence is shaping the landscape of ICTs. And as we know, this is the technology that powers our connectivity, our communications, and so much more. The title of my talk today is Empowering ICT Through Opportunities, Challenges, and Innovations. Excuse my voice. AI is reshaping our way of life. With the proliferation of generative AI applications such as ChatGPT, Copilot, Adobe, as individuals, we use generative AI to speed up tasks like content creation, data analysis, and they also assist with coding, report designs, if you're into that kind of thing, and translations. Essentially, they are boosting efficiency and enabling employees to focus on high impact projects, right? But on a larger scale, there are so many exciting applications for the use of AI in the Latin America and Caribbean region that can propel our nations to heights that we've never seen. But before I get too deep into my talk, and to keep us on the same page, I want to give a quick definition. AI is broadly defined as the technology that enables machines to learn from data, make decisions, and solve problems in ways that usually require human intelligence. So we have some competition out there, guys and girls. Now back to my flow. In the ICT industry, we play a critical role in the advancement of our communities. ICTs connect people, they connect businesses, they connect our governments, they boost our economic growth, all of which makes life easier for all of us. With AI adoption growing, we're set to unlock even more possibilities for improved connectivity and efficiency. Even though we're also going to have to face some challenges along the way. My goal today is to simply highlight these opportunities and challenges and demonstrate how innovative projects and policies are already making a difference in our region. So let's dive into the current landscape and the opportunities of AI. I want to start with a broader look into the adoption of AI right here in the Bahamas. We are actively integrating AI technologies across several sectors to enhance efficiency and meet modern day demands. One example is the Bahamas Ministry of Tourism's use of an AI-powered chatbot feature on its official website, bahamas.com. This AI tool provides real-time support for visitors and travelers, answering questions and providing information 24/7. This feature not only improves the user's experience, but it also helps the tourism ministry to gather insights into common inquiries, which will in turn enhance the overall effectiveness of their services. Additionally, in education, King's College has introduced an AI-powered platform called Inspired AI, which personalizes the learning experience for its students, and it has shown significant improvements in the academic performance of the participating students. This initiative is part of a broader push to prepare students for a tech-driven future, which will in turn help them to build capacity for tech-driven industries. At the backbone of these wonderful developments is the ICT industry. Woo woo. And of course, AI is really transforming our operations from optimizing networks to enhancing customer service and providing predictive analysis. This allows companies like Cable Bahamas to understand our customers better. Similar to the Bahamas Ministry of Tourism's approach, at Cable Bahamas, we also use AI-powered chatbots to make customer service quicker, easier, and always accessible. These chatbots handle routine questions around the clock, so customers can get help anytime without having to wait for business hours. By taking care of the common questions, our chatbots free up our live agents to tackle more complex issues that would need that human touch. The mix of fast, accessible service and a dedicated human support not only speeds up response times, but it also gives our customer a better overall experience. For any company, combining AI and human support can be a game changer in building stronger and more efficient customer service. Stick a pin in that. AI-powered chatbots, though, however, are only the tip of the iceberg. Beyond customer support, AI is transforming the telecom operators by helping companies anticipate network traffic, proactively detect potential issues, and make adjustments in real time to keep things running smoothly. Through machine learning, AI can analyze vast amount of data, predicting traffic patterns and making adjustments that prevent congestion and overall improvements of our networks. This proactive network management has been shown to reduce latency and increase efficiency by up to 30%, making for a much better experience for our customers. After all, they are the cornerstone of why our companies exist, right? So AI is also changing the way networks are maintained. While real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance, AI systems can spot anomalies and fix problems before they disrupt service. This keeps our networks more stable and reliable. This approach helps telecom companies to cut down on repair time and extend the life of our network equipment, reducing downtime by some 25%. AI's impact doesn't stop there. It also streamlines internal operations like inventory management, resource planning as well. Automating these tasks free up time, space, and that ever so important financial resources, letting companies put resources where they need them the most. Finally, in cybersecurity, AI is an absolute game changer. AI technologies such as machine learning algorithms can identify unusual behavior, such as unusual login times, irregular data transfers, or unexpected network access points. These are all activities that may indicate a security breach or malicious behavior. These systems can trigger automated actions like isolating affected systems, notifying security teams, or even running simulations to predict how the attack might unfold. This proactive threat detection allows ICT companies to respond to risks in real time, reducing the likelihood of a large-scale breach. For high-risk industries such as financial services, telecoms, and government data networks, which are some of our critical infrastructure organizations, implementing robust security measures are paramount to ensuring business resilience. This progress is a part of a wider push across the Latin America and the Caribbean, where digital transformation is central to many nations' plans. Governments are putting digital transformation front and center in their development goals. Many countries are actively building infrastructure for AI, data security, and digital education to improve public service and to make their economies more competitive on a global scale. Brazil, for example, has a national AI strategy focusing on the ethical use and data privacy and tech skills, while Mexico prioritizes similar initiatives. In the Caribbean, countries like Jamaica and Trinidad are using AI to boost sectors like healthcare, disaster preparedness, and education. Regional groups such as the Caribbean Telecommunications Union are also working to establish shared regulations and standards to ensure AI is used responsibly and consistently across borders. AI is creating exciting changes for both cities and rural areas by boosting connectivity, creating jobs, and making infrastructure smarter. In urban hubs like Kingston, Jamaica, and Mexico City, AI helps manage traffic flow and controls smart lighting, cutting down on energy use and reducing congestion to make life easier and smoother for its residents. On the flip side, in rural regions of Guyana and Belize, AI-powered network optimization is bringing reliable internet to communities that didn't have easy access before. This improved connectivity opens up digital markets for local businesses and is creating jobs in tech support. And this will help to drive economic growth and build a more connected economy for both cities and countrysides alike. Now let's look at some of the challenges. While AI brings great potential, there are some obstacles we need to overcome to really see its benefits. First is the skills and workforce shortage. There is a significant shortage of digital and AI skilled professionals in the Caribbean. By 2026, Latin America and the Caribbean will need an additional 2.5 million ICT professionals to meet the growing demand. Yet, current training programs and educational infrastructure aren't fully equipped to close these gaps. Next is the infrastructure limitation. Some of the region's smaller nations struggle with the technology needed to support AI. Although countries like Jamaica and Trinidad and Tobago are making strides, high-speed internet and reliable electricity are still limited in some regions, such as Haiti. It is still a challenge, and this makes AI projects difficult to roll out and maintain. Next, there's the data privacy and security concerns. As AI grows, privacy and security will remain a priority. With AI's heavy reliance on a vast amount of data, the lack of clear privacy and security regulations raises concerns about data misuse and compliance, making it difficult for companies to deploy AI technologies responsibly. Brazil, however, is leading the way with laws like their LGBT, which is similar to the Europe's GDPR, which sets a standard for data protection. Other countries are looking to implement their own data protection laws to ensure that AI, as it grows, that privacy and security also remains a priority. I can't forget the high implementation costs. Adopting AI technologies involves high initial costs for equipment, training, and maintenance. This can be a barrier for smaller Caribbean nations and companies with limited budgets, especially when compared to larger economies that can have more or that can easily absorb these costs, rather. So these were some of the main challenges I wanted to highlight, but we'll have to keep them in mind as we continue to develop AI and ICT. I want to also highlight some key innovations and success stories. Despite the challenges, there are already some great examples of AI projects making a difference in our region. In telecoms, in Peru, AI has been a huge help in call centers, making customer service smoother by using AI to understand the customer questions and respond faster, similar to here in the Bahamas. In the Caribbean, telecom companies like Flow are starting to use AI to predict when network issues might occur so they can fix them before customers even notice. Then there's the area of disaster response and resilience. For regions like ours that face hurricanes and other natural disasters, AI can help to prepare and respond faster. Puerto Rico is using AI to analyze weather patterns and better predict hurricanes. And here in the Bahamas, we're also exploring AI for real-time hurricane response systems and to improve preparedness and response times. Next, in the tourism sector. Tourism is the cornerstone of the Bahamian economy, and AI can make the experience even better for our visitors. By analyzing travel data, AI can help tailor vacation packages for visitors' preferences, helping us to provide more customized experiences. Similar efforts are underway across the Caribbean, where hotels and tour operators are using AI-driven recommendations to create unique experiences for travelers. These are only some examples to show how AI can make a real impact on our industries, one that matters in our region. So how can we keep up momentum and make sure we're getting the most out of AI? We need to work together to share knowledge and resources across the Latin America and Caribbean region. The Inter-American Development Bank, for example, is funding AI and ICT projects throughout the region to help us move forward. Next, expanding access to AI education and skills training is critical. In Jamaica, they've introduced a coding in schools program that includes basic AI concepts, which is a great example for AI accessibility to students from an early age. This is something we could replicate in the Bahamas to build a talent pipeline for the future. And finally, innovation often comes from startups. So we need to support these ventures. In Trinidad and Tobago, the Innovation Fund provides resources for tech and AI startups, helping to get them off the ground. Setting up similar funds in other Caribbean nations, including the Bahamas, would encourage homegrown tech solutions. Together, these steps can help us lay a groundwork for a strong AI development and ICT in our region. To wrap up, it is clear that AI offers a lot of potential for our ICTs in the Latin America and Caribbean region. By focusing on connectivity, skills training, and local innovation, we can make AI a powerful tool for growth and progress in our communities. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope this discussion on the impact of AI in ICT has sparked some ideas. If you'd like to connect, you can find me on LinkedIn. Just search for Shakera Johnson, or you can send me an email at shakera.johnson@cablebahamas.com. Feel free to reach out with any questions, thoughts, or just to get connected. Thank you again, and enjoy the rest of the summit.